Good morning. Steve here with RV Site to Site. This morning I want to do something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and that is go to Harbor Freight and pick me up a Predator 3500 inverter generator. And the reason it's come to the time that I need to go ahead and get that now, we found a campsite near Wilmington, North Carolina, it's called Carolina Beach State Park. And so we're going there, and they have no electricity at this site. All the sites with electricity and water and sewer all were taken. I don't mind missing the water and sewer. I can take care of that. But I do need electricity. We are in the South and it can get warm. And so anyhow, the Predator generator, I've done a lot of research on that, and I've come to the conclusion that that's one of the best ones. I'm going to do a video on that upcoming soon. And also, you know, I'm not young anymore, and used to be I could throw stuff like this around easily, but now that I'm in my 70s, yep, not as strong as I used to be. At least I don't want to break anything. And so I've been having to do the bikes. They're not light, even folded up and with the battery out, they're still not light, and putting those in the back of the truck is sometimes a chore. So with that in mind, I'm also getting a crane that fits in the back of the truck. I get that from Harbor Freight also. I'll be showing you how I install that and how it works, because not only will I be lifting that 3500 Predator generator in there, I'll also be loading my bikes in there. So I'm pretty excited about it, and I want to take you along on a trip today. And so I hope you enjoy the journey. Oops, my seat belt. Always fasten your seat belt. I always do. So anyhow, it's about 15 minutes over to Washington, North Carolina, and I've already called them in advance, and they're going to have them pulled in the back for me. And so all I have to do is go pay for it, and I'll be all set. But to me, this is an exciting trip for me. I can't exactly call it Christmas because, you know, basically it's, since we're trying to make this YouTube channel work, it's an investment, I'll put it that way. Anyway, we're pulling into Harbor Freight now, and let's see what they have.
Zach Shaw.
Zach?
And Rocky.
Roger.
Rocky.
Yeah. All right, they're loading my 1,000-pound crane I'm going to mount in this thing, and also the well-known Predator 3500 inverter generator.
There you go.
All right, thank you guys, I appreciate it.
You have a nice day.
So let's open up the tailgate here and see what we have. All right, right here we have the Predator super quiet and lightweight generator. Now it says that it's 100 pounds, so I don't know if that's lightweight. Not to me, it's not. And that's the reason I bought this. And so the first thing I want to do is be installing this, which is the Haulmaster pickup truck crane. It'll pick up 1,000 pounds. Now we'll see about that. And so I'm going to mount it right over here. That's where most people mount it, and we'll see how that does. All right, first I'm going to cut these straps right here. Next, I'm going to cut the center tape. All right, let's see what we have in the box. Okay, we have the instructions here, the owner's manual and safety instructions. And it shows this crane picking up a big old drum. I don't know what's in the drum, but someone in the comments said he routinely picks up 55-gallon drums and loads them in his pickup truck, and the 55-gallon drums are full of liquid. All right, looks like we have the jack and the swivel part here. We also have in here a hydraulic pump. These are the braces that go under the truck. We have some chain and some hardware. And again, this is the most important part, and that is the swivel part that goes over. The swivel part that goes over. Here's the base. And this is the handle to pump it up. And here is the boom. And when it's retracted, it'll pick up 1,000 pounds. When it's partially extended, it'll pick up 700 pounds. And further extended, 600 pounds. And finally, out to the last thing here, it's supposed to pick up 500 pounds. This is the part that slides out. And again, the main boom. After I read the instructions, I'm going to be mounting it somewhere right. I'm going to be mounting it somewhere probably right about there. I have to look because then the crane will go over the wheel well there. It'll sit there, and I'll probably make a bracket for that to rest in. Some people's made a bracket with like a U-shape thing with this, the crane can sit down in it and put some rubber in it so it won't rattle. But that's probably what I'll do. So I'm going to get busy and look at the instructions and see what I have to do next. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is make a template. I like to work from a template rather than the base itself, and so I will just simply take a magic marker and draw around this right here, and then mark each hole. Try to mark as straight down as I possibly can. I don't know what the little hole here is for. Maybe the instructions will point that out. But there, now I have my template, and I'll mark this part right here toward the front. All right, so what I did, I taped my template down. All right, I'm going to drill some small pilot holes here, and just to make sure. All right, we're gonna put this over this, like that. That. All right, and then this, we go through this. It goes through there. Okay, I have the boom extended out to 500 pounds capacity, and I'm going to rotate it around over the package, over the Predator, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we have a few items on top here. It's well packaged. Have the RV ready plug. And oil fill, some tools. The start guide and the Predator. I'm going to take some cable. Well, that completes the project of the 1,000-pound crane, and I am really excited about it. As you can see, it's holding up the Predator inverter generator, and that's going to be one of my next projects. And so to me, this is a big help. And I think if you might think about this, you can also get one on Amazon if you want to check the link below. And I'll put one on there. It's about the same price as it is at Harbor Freight, but very exciting, very exciting. Well, I appreciate you watching this video, and if you liked it, if you think it'll help you, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and hit that little notification bell down there so you can be notified of any future videos that I do. A lot of my videos are how-to, and some of those are campground related, where we evaluate the campground and show you some of the sites around the campground. So be sure to subscribe, and if you want to go directly to our site, just go to rvsitetosite.com. That'll take you right straight to our YouTube channel. And so the next project is going to be this right here, and we're going to look at the Predator generator. So anyhow, I'm excited about it, and I hope you are too. And so until the next time, bye-bye.